Okay, yesterday I talked. Oh, by the way, I'm Nathan Ray from Juggling Live. This is Davide from.
Hello, everybody.
You've from Play Juggling. He's sponsoring Juggling Live at the moment. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure, really.
And one of the things I was talking about yesterday is like why I'm so happy to be sponsored by Play Juggling is that you're constantly innovating and designing and new products and stuff. Now, I don't have a plastic moulding lab in my back garden, so I can't design. I mean, how do you get around this problem at Play?
It's like mainly from the experience on the field, actually. Like the ideas, they come out like the conventions is the best place to be, because you see all the new developments of styles and tricks and stuff, and with the direct contact with jugglers, you see all the common problems, troubles they have. Which part is always
no. And what I'm saying is, we can all come up with great ideas, obviously, but I can't get a mould and start moulding plastic and prototyping and things. How do you get around that problem?
Well, it is kind of part of the risk of putting yourself into the business, because I don't do prototypes either. Like sometimes, like the D Club has been totally a challenge. Like I got the idea in my mind, started from the design of the one-piece club we already had, which was really successful.
Yeah.
You know you're going to have to spend several thousands euros on the project, but if you with juggling, that's the difficult thing. You cannot do a prototype that is going to behave like the actual product with the correct materials and the same features and weight. So it's either you go for it and see how it ends up being like, or not.
Right.
So. Luckily, then you can change, the features, choosing different weight, different materials.
I heard with the original PX3 club there was a problem with the ends where the staple wasn't the staple.
No, there was like a little nylon bit where we screwed the knobs in.
And then the screw didn't stay in the nylon, did it?
It's even worse. Like there was a 0.5 millimeter difference in the diameters of this nylon cap and the inside diameter of the rubber knob. So this little gap was making the screw much weaker, because the screw would absorb the shocks on the ground
and not the plastic. And that's what plastic's good at, isn't it? Absorbing the shocks.
So that time it was just necessary to make it bigger, and problem solved.
Yeah, that problem's been solved for years now, so don't worry about that. That's not a problem anymore.
No, it's not happening anymore. I can also tell by the complaints and stuff and rejects, or like people taking clubs to be repaired, is not happening anymore.
Right. Excellent. Okay. So just picking out a product at random behind us. Okay. So we've got a devil stick here, a hand stick. It's a wooden centre.
Yeah.
It's fine. And then we've got another one here with your favourite material.
Yeah.
Plastic. So what's the point of having a plastic insert for your hand stick? What's wrong with wood? What is wrong with wood?
Nothing.
It grows on trees.
We sell both. You can choose. It's like we try new stuff. This is an elastic material that gives you the possibility to use the flower sticks and with a certain bounce. Like you. Sorry.
Yeah. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is.
Here. So using this kind of plastic for the flower sticks, you get the possibility to do bounce tricks and stuff, and having the same material for the sticks makes it like a new interesting thing to try, not the standard.
There's a little bit of a give in it, so that gives that much. And what about this one?
Nothing at all, almost nothing. Like wood, it's, wood,
really really strong.
So professionals, and for devil sticks, for example, which is heavier compared to flower sticks, it's recommended the wood. That's why we still do that, and we love it. But this is like also for the coloring and stuff. We just the only little innovation about this, for example, you picked up by random, but there's still some innovative, like is the section of the extruded plastic. It's a cross section with.
So you can actually see through it.
Yeah. And it's a very simple thing just to make this plastic tube much stronger. Still flexible, but much stronger.
Because if it was a hollow tube, it could kink, I suppose. Yeah.
Like this, we solved the problem, making it really strong without elastic and bounces.
And you make all this stuff in your factory, and you said it's closed at the moment because it's having some work
we
in the play
assemble
factory.
everything in the factory, but we don't have all the technologies because the more we go on, the more materials we.
Oh, so you don't have, you need to get machines to get into mold plastics.
Need a super huge machine just to mold the silicone parts for the D-clubs, and another big machine to do the other PVC parts.
Yeah.
So we have injection molding machine and blow molding machines with which we can do all the bodies, the club bodies, and all the plastic parts. But then a few things we get done outside. It's all in the area though, so I always personally go and check what's happening.
Oh, so you're the quality control. You go to the factory and say, what's happening with my silicone hands thing?
I have now good suppliers that are following me and taking care of the quality, but they're not jugglers. So they might not understand the little important things that jugglers do care about. You know?
Yeah.
So being there and telling them, when they start the production, this has got to be like this, like that. No, please notice that. Blah blah blah. It's very important for the quality control. And, we don't want returns. We don't want people to be happy.
Nobody wants returns and things. No. Okay. Well, thank you very much, David. It's given a bit of an insight into the innovation and production process and stuff. And you say you're turning your factory or assembly, you're going green.
Yes, green. Yeah, that's the idea. Big solar power plant on the roof of the building. So we should start from the beginning of September. 100% solar power. So
Is that averaging out over the year, 100%?
Yeah. It's still plastic what we do, but at least we put it together with the green power.
Green power. Yeah, the greenest plastic you'll ever buy. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, David. And thank you again for sponsoring the Juggling Live.
It's really a pleasure, and I think we have to support this guy, people. It's a great job he's doing. So you might come to the Italian convention as well next year to do this. No?
We'll talk. Yeah. I'll go anywhere if people pay my travel expenses. And,
so next year, on May, this guy is going to be in Italy for the Italian juggling convention.
Okay, we'll say. Well, we'll talk about that afterwards.
Yeah. It's done. Deal done. I tell you, it's going to come. It's going to come.
Okay. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you, Nathan.
Cheers. Bye.
Have a nice day.